Welcome back to iDelvix. You ready for new general knowledge quiz about basic economics? Let's get started. 1. What is economics the study of? Answer: scarcity. 2. Who is the father of modern economics? Answer: Adam Smith. 3. What is the main goal of a firm? Answer: profit maximization. 4. What does inflation measure? Answer: rise in prices. 5. What is opportunity cost? Answer: next best alternative. 6. What is a monopoly? Answer: single seller. 7. Who controls monetary policy? Answer: central bank. 8. What is equilibrium in economics? Answer: supply equals demand. 9. What is the invisible hand? Answer: self-regulating market. 10. What is perfect competition? Answer: many sellers. 11. What is supply? Answer: willingness to sell. 12. What is the term for rising unemployment and inflation together? Answer: stagflation. 13. What is a tariff? Answer: tax on imports. 14. What is the term for a long-lasting decline in prices? Answer: deflation. 15. What is an oligopoly? Answer: many buyers, few sellers. 16. What is a trade surplus? Answer: exports, imports. 17. What is a progressive tax? Answer: higher income, higher tax rate. 18. What is a subsidy? Financial aid from government. 19. What is marginal cost? Answer: cost of producing one more unit. 20. What does elasticity measure? Answer: responsiveness to price changes. 21. What is foreign direct investment, FDI? Answer: investment from one country to another. 22. What is a public good? Answer: non-excludable and non-rivalrous. Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.